Hey everybody, Agent of Doubt here. Story time. Just a story. No facts. No nothing. Just me telling a story. Okay, conspiracy theory just plastered all over this. So that way I can spread some paranoia and not be held accountable for people thinking about what I said. Okay, so here we go. Once upon a time in Silicon Valley, right? A CEO of a little startup company named Jack decided that he had a problem with the way that his platform was being used as opposed to the way that the platform was originally intended to be used. Because he wanted to support art and artists, and he wanted a place where everyone could get along. And then the shitlords came. They came for his company, and he had to call a meeting of all of his trusted safety advisors for his company. And he says, what can we do about this? The shitlords, they're getting paid to criticize other people's art. You know, they're getting paid to criticize the things that we value here in Silicon Valley. How is it that I've created a company where people get paid to do video criticism of the people that I like? What the fuck? And one of his tech guys says, I have a solution. And he's like, really? Tell me more. He says, well, there's one other platform besides Patreon that these shitlords like to congregate in right now. And that's called Discord. Right? What if we could infiltrate Discord and we could see what they were really thinking, and then show that to everyone so that they wouldn't be able to hide in plain sight and just flirt with being white nationalist fucktards. We would show them for what they're really thinking, right? And so Jack says, go on. And I'm sorry that my impression's a little off. I have hair, okay? I'm a hairy dude. Anyways, the tech guy says to him, you know what? What if we decided to partner with Discord in a way that we would be able to sneak a back door into being able to see into everyone's Discord chat, and then just to fuck with the shitlords, we're going to screen cap whole conversations where they look bad, leak it out, and then we're going to destroy their community because they're going to think that somebody in the chat actually leaked the shit out when it was actually our backdoor in. And Jack says, well, how are we going to get access to all of these Discord servers? And he says, they're going to give us the access. They're going to want to give the donors that they have on Patreon, the ones who give enough to them, more access to themselves. And in order to do that, they're going to have to set up a certain Patreon bot so that whenever somebody starts donating that much on Patreon, that bot can give them the activation code to be invited to the Discord server for that exclusive chat. But what they don't know is the Patreon bot is actually us. And we can go through their entire server with the same permissions that it would require for somebody to be able to give invite codes. And if they don't give us those permissions, they can't set up the Patreon perk. So all of these people who are criticizing the people that we love can be exposed when we have access to their innermost thoughts. End scene. Suck on that, shitlords.